3 plus 2 gives us 5, and 2 times 5 is equal to 10, and 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, the rule PEMDAS, which I will write here real quick. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, right? So P stands for parentheses, and E stands for exponent, and the second thing to solve is exponent. And the third thing to solve is M and D, which is multiplication or division, right? Multiplication or division. And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. So parentheses is priority number 1, exponent is priority number 2, multiplication or division is priority number 3, and finally addition or subtraction is priority number 4. Is where most people get wrong. So they solve parentheses, they do it right, and they think multiplication comes before division, therefore multiplication has higher priority than division. But that is wrong. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, right? We have to solve them at third priority, meaning we have to solve the problem left to right, right? So that is the right way to solve the problem. So if we encounter a multiplication or division in one equation, we have to solve the problem starting from left all the way to the right, and we have to solve whichever comes first. If division comes first, we have to solve division. If multiplication comes first, we have to solve multiplication, right? So in our example, 3 plus 2 gives us 5, and the problem becomes 20 divided by 2 times 5, and we don't have to solve the multiplication, right? Because division and multiplication have equal priority, therefore that is what we are going to do, left to right, right? So we have to solve the division because the division comes first. So 20 divided by 2 gives us 10, and 10 times 5 is equal to 50, right? So the final answer to this question is 50.